Monsters. There's Sophie. Oh, there she is. Little terror. Oh, she's having a little poopy in the corner. My goodness, that's a big poopy. Sochi, you gonna come show your... Oh, don't step in it. No, she's not gonna step in it. There she comes around. Oh my goodness, you gonna come show your face? Okay. Well, glad you got that out of your system. Oh, back to having a good old time. Huh, you monster. Look at you go. Look at you go. Now what are you doing in that corner? Looking for trouble? Looking for trouble? Where is your brother? Is the question. Where are they? Well, there's Nana Isis. Good old Uncle Axel. There's Mondo. Oh, maybe he's having a poopy right there. Okay, thanks, Mondo. What are you doing over there? Careful. Oh, you have more poopy? Yeah, she's having more poopy over there. My goodness. I'm gonna have to work on that, huh? Oh, I see your face. Concentrating. Hello, this is for your new mama. Your new daddy. That's what I do. I poopy. I poopy a lot, huh? Oh my goodness, I poopy a lot, huh? Oh. My goodness. Okay, are y'all poopy out? All poopy out? All proud of yourself? Oh, look at you go. Oh, and Mondo's all poopy out too. He found himself a little toy. Okay, everybody's all poopied out? Alright, here they go. Oh, yep. Oh, they're fun.
The Rolling Stones are headed back out on the road for the Zip Code Tour.
There's the Mondo and the Sochi. Uh-oh, you got yourself all tangled in the wire.
Exclusive mixtapes including songs selected by the band. Plus, ticket information for the Zip Code Tour. Enjoy the music only on Pandora.
What are you doing, dude? There's the Sochi. There she is. There she is, huh? Oh my goodness, huh? Oh, yeah, she's a happy girl. She's a happy, healthy girl, huh? Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There they are, huh? Uncle Axel, he gets grumpy. He don't want nothing to do with the puppies. He tells them,